Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to do superscript in Google Docs. We'll do this common formula: a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Okay, I'll show you how to do this into superscript. So I'll go ahead and highlight this. Then what I need you to do is come here, click on format. So I want to make a superscript for the twos. So click on format, go here to this section under text and hover over here, and you'll see superscript. And this shortcut is control plus dot, okay? Period. So control plus period or dot. So I'll select this just to show you. So there we go. That is done in a superscript. For this one, I'll use a shortcut. Look at this. Easy. And this one as well. I'll do the same thing. Okay, that is the shortcut. And here we go. It was really that easy and simple. So I hope this helped.